Today let us learn the accounts of a budget. To understand the budget, it is necessary to know the information regarding different accounts and the item included in it. In terms of accounts, budget has two-sided. Credit side where income of the government is recorded, debit side where expenditure of the government is recorded. So, budget can be grouped in two ways. Receipt sides in which revenue income and capital income can be shown. Payment sides in which revenue expenditure and capital expenditures are shown. So, these discussion we can be done in respect of two accounts, revenue account and capital account. On the credit side, there are two accounts on the credit side. One is current income, that is your revenue income, and second is your capital income. So what is revenue income or current income? In revenue income of budget, two types of income are mentioned. Tax revenue income, income other than tax revenue. So income from tax means revenue income tax, property tax, company tax, excise duty, customs duty, etc. These are direct and indirect tax income which are shown. Now second is income other than tax. Income from bills and interest, profit earned from public enterprise, different types of fees or fine from public services, education, health, income from collective and social services like housing, that is Awas, expected income from financial services and other administrative income are also shown. This type of income is earned from the current year's activities. Next is our capital income. Now, in this income or this account, borrowed loans from country or foreign country by the government or by the state government, loan taken from central bank, sale of treasury bill, and income from disinvestment, small savings, state or foreign countries' recovery of loans, etc., are recorded. That means in the capital income, the receipts are from transactions which have long-term or continuous impact on government fund. Let us see the debit side. There are two accounts on the debit side, current expenditure and capital expenditure. Now the current expenditure. This can be called as revenue expenditure. Now the current expenditure of budget is also of two types, consumption expenditure and transfer payments. Now consumption expenditure means during the particular year, payment done in the form of wages and salary to the employees, administrative expenditure in defense section, expense on tax collection, administrative expenses, these are shown on the consumption expenditure. Second is transfer payment. During the year, payments of interest, union territories, local self-government institution, etc. are provided, grant in aid and financial assistance, these are included. In general, the payment of revenue expenditure should be made from revenue income, or we can say that the current expenditure should be made from the current income. If possible, surplus revenue should be created and used in capital section. Next is capital expenditure. In the payment side of capital account of budget, following expenditures are done. First is payment of government debt. Second is loan given by state government or any other loan. Capital expenditure for society as well as defense sector, capital expenditure in public enterprise, investment done in physical assets. In budget 1987-88 of central government, two sections were shown, planned expenditure and unplanned expenditure. Thus, budget has two accounts, current account which records current income and expenditure. Second is capital account which records capital income and expenditure. Idea of budgets of different tiers of governments in India. Let us get an idea of the budget of three tiers of government in Indian federal system, that is central government, state government, local government, that is municipality corporation, municipalities and panchayats. Now, representatives of the central government, that is finance minister, on regular basis presents the estimated income and expenditure of the next financial year in the Lok Sabha. In India, budget is presented for the period of 1st April to 31st March. In general, central government budget is declared in the end of February. During March, this proposal is discussed in Lok Sabha and after necessary changes, final budget is accepted. This budget is implemented from 1st April. In India, according to Article 112(1) of the Constitutional Budget is presented. In Union Budget, there are mainly two parts: revenue account and capital account. Expenditure of revenue account is divided into two parts: unplanned expenditure, planned expenditure. While revenue income is also divided into two, that is tax income and income other than tax. In the budget, total income, total expenditure and different deficits, that is revenue, fiscal, primary, budgetary, these are shown. Previous year's corrected budget and next year's estimated budget are compared and presented.